Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. In this video I'm gonna teach you that how you can fix your mobile black screen, or if your mobile cannot charge, you cannot charge your mobile phone or no display. For me this is Note 5, Galaxy Note 5, and you can see that it cannot charge, and now I just going to restart by pressing volume low button, power button, and this home button. You have to hold these three buttons until like 30 second or 20 second. It depends on your mobile. And okay, as you can see, there is a new screen, a pop-up screen, and there are two options. You need to select restart phone. After pressing restart, any cancel button, you have to wait until the home screen will appear. Generally, when you are using a non-official mobile charger or not restart your mobile phone in a month, this problem can be happen. For example, if after doing this procedure you cannot have your home screen, yani it's come, and certainly again your mobile cannot charge, just put your mobile charger, genuine charger, and let it charge all night. Then next day you can see your home screen. Thanks for watching my video.